So suppose we have to divide the prologue. So I'm talking about the prologue. So how to divide? So write in the different boxes. So this is the box one. So here I am writing a data object. Okay, and this data object can be defined the two types like this way. We have to modify. Okay, so now so this object can be divided into again two types. So it having the name suppose simple object, and this will be the structure. Okay, so now this type again you can divide in the constant part, and this part is divided into the variable part, and this is not divided in the structure, so that is the end of that part. So here we can divide in a simple object is a constant, sorry, and this part is divided as a variable. Okay, so I'm going to write a constant, and this part is a variable. And the last division we can go for the constant is we can say that this is the atom, and this part we can divide as a numbers. So this will be the your atom, this will be the number. Okay, so this way we have to divide all the things. So we can divide suppose I'm talking about, so one by one how to write the atom. So atom, then we discuss about the number, then we discuss about the variable, and then we discuss about structure. Okay, so these things. So now see, suppose I'm writing the atom, so that means I'm talking about the object. So what will be the object? Say maybe any name, like suppose I'm writing a pet, family. So this is the object like, and with number also. Suppose I'm writing x double zero. These are the atom. So we can write that is the example of the atom, and we can use also like x underscore pet, like this one also. Suppose you're talking a number, so it number will be like this one. You know, it may be a real number also 2000.445, like this one. Suppose talking about the variable, so it will be the any to x y, and it will be many x dash y, like that one. Suppose I'm talking about the structure, that means I'm talking about one type of relation. So relation may be like this under the father. We create a father and x comma y. That means father of x and y. We can write also. So we can write a, suppose you can write a point. That means we have to write a coordinate. That means 10, 20. So it will be the coordinate. So this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate of the x axis. So these things we can use in a Prolog programming. Is it okay? I think whatever I'm writing that is visible to you, na? Can you reply? That is visible. Na? Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Yash. So we can create a string, or we can create a digit and underscore characters, and with the lower character, lowercase character also, with the help of atom. What we atom contain. So atom are the one variable of a constant. We can say that. So these terms we have to remember because we have to define in the program. Okay. So suppose I'm talking about the atom. So what will be the meaning of that atom? Atoms are atoms of are one variable. We can say that one variation, a variable, one variation of constant. So these are the one variation of the constant. So it can maybe a name or object. So it can be a name, it can be a object. ये आपका नेम भी हो सकता है, ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, इसलिए मैंने आपका नेम भी बोला और ऑब्जेक्ट भी बोला. ओके. तो फ्यू रूल टू डिफाइन द ऑब्जेक्ट, दैट मीन्स द इसका रूल क्या है, व्हाट इज द रूल फॉर डिफाइन द एटम. तो स्ट्रिंग ऑफ लेटर. सो सपोज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट रूल ऑफ define atom. So suppose I'm going to write a rule of define atom. So what I'm going to write? The first point. So it may be a string of letters. Sorry. Okay, it may be a string of letter, digit and underscore character, digit and underscore underscore. Okay, character, and we can write starting with a lowercase character, starting with lowercase letter. Okay, so these are the rule to define the. So suppose I'm talking about the one example of all the things. So it may be like suppose my name. Okay, the string of characters. So suppose I'm writing my name. So that is a string of character. So it will be digit and underscore. So what is the meaning of that? So digit suppose 98/b. It may be possible. Okay, like this one. And this starting with the lowercase character. So what is the meaning of the lowercase character? So I'm writing a ram underscore b5. So these are the example of this one. So these are the one example of all these. Okay, so these terms are example of all this. Okay. So as you know, so string of character will be closed by the single quotes. That is important for you. Uh, that is meaning. So now talking about number. Okay. So as you know, the another variation of constant in the number is that we can define an integer, minus, plus, within a range, all the things like a simple object. Okay. So start with the uppercase letter and or undercase underscore letter we can write. So we have to write the some rules that is important for you. Number system. How can define a number? So number, that is another variation to represent the object and constant. So that is comes inside the simple object size section. So it may be defined such that the string of letter like a digit and an underscore character start with the uppercase letter or underscore character. Okay, so these things we have. So now, so number, that means I'm talking about like 8, 8.5. These things are defined by the number. So it is work like a constant, and it is also defined as a, in the range. Okay, suppose 2 to 20. So it will be start from 10, then 11, 12, 13 up to 20. This. So now talking about the variable part. Okay, these are the variables. So how can I define the variable? So variables we have to define a simple way. It can be a variable string of letter. It may be a string of letter. Okay, it may be a digit, or we can say that it may be a digit and underscore, digit and underscore. It may be a digit and underscore also. and they are start with an upper case letter or underscore letter. Okay, that is important for a variable. So these are not start with the lowercase letter, so we can write that is the important point. So these points are very important. So start with, start with an uppercase letter, uppercase letter or an underscore underscore character. Okay, so what is the meaning of that one? So it will be the start with the uppercase character. So I am going to write, suppose I am writing the variable, suppose father, and underscore with any character. So it will be many like father list. Okay, so these are the example. So I'm talking about. Okay, so these are the examples. So it may be any XYZ underscore hello. So these are the variable, or we can write a string of character, a string. So that means suppose I want to define a string, so we can define like x, then yz. That is a string also with a single code if you want. And digit and underscore. So digit will be like that one. So digit will be digit 1 5, and underscore also like that one. So these are the variable. These are the act as a variable. So these things are very important for programming. And then on the basis of we can define the different type of relation, all the things. So as you know how to define the relation using all the things. So as you know how to write a syntax of relations, that is important. Syntax, how to write a syntax. So we have to write a relation here first, and inside that I am writing object 1 comma object 2 up to object, and that is the full stop. Okay, so that is the syntax we have to define a prolog. Okay, so on the basis of these things we have to write. We can open the notebook, all the things we already share you how to open all the things. So same like a C programming and C++ and Java, it's having also the comparison operators like greater than, less than, all the things. So important is that in the last class we have to discuss about the last programming class. What to discuss about? What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? Okay, so these things are very important in a program. So suppose I am writing that is the head head symbol, and this is the double dot. So what is the meaning? So these things are very useful when you are going to use. Okay, when we are going to use the operators in a Prolog programming, that is a very useful. Okay, so don't be forget about what is the meaning of this. What is the meaning of implication? What is the meaning of double implication? But double direction meaning. Okay, so these things are very important because these all are follow propositional logics. Okay, so in the KB agent we already study knowledge based agent already propositional logic. So these are the propositional logic. We can use in propositional logic also in Prolog. So these things are very important for you. Okay, and most of the questions they will ask you on the propositional logic. Even if you are thinking about the gate, ISRO, BARC, okay, any PSUs. So these things are very important. Basically, a discrete mathematics. So suppose I'm talking about the comparison operator. So it may be greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, uh, x. The x and y value are equal like this one. Okay. So very important. So how to write all the things? Now see some example. So this comparison operator it may be helpful for you. So now, suppose I am writing uh, x is greater than y. That is very easy. You can understand. X is less than y. That is also easy. X is greater than equal to y. This is also understand. And x is equal to less than y. This is also important. So these are the basic things we have to understand. X is less than or equal to, like you have read. But point is, remember that is important for. Suppose I'm writing x is equal to double dot is equal to y. What is the meaning of that one? So we have to understand the x and y, the x and y values are equal. Values are equal. So that is the meaning. So in a prologue, these things we have to write. Okay, these things we have to write. So this is the x equal to double dot equal to y. Okay, these things we have to write. So that is very important. Okay. Now, similarly, suppose I am writing x is equal to and division by y. So what is the meaning of that? So what is the meaning of that? Okay. So inside that, what I'm going to write. So the x and y, the x and y values are values are sorry, values are not okay. So this is important. So that is the meaning. Okay. So these things, two things are important to learn in a comparison operator. These two things. So we can write that this is the A and this is the B. Okay. So basically, how can you use now? So basically, in a program, how can you use? So important. So you have to write like this one in a console. Uh, Suppose I am writing 1 plus 2 is equal to is equally equal to 2 plus 1, and we have to put enter. Then it will press enter. Then it will give answer yes, like this. Similarly, if you want to write a 1 plus a is equal to b plus 2, and we have to put in dot, and we have to define a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. Then it will be gives the answer yes, like this way we have to use. So these things are very important. Okay. Then you can use is 5 is less than 10, so it will give yes, true and false, like this directly. So arithmetic operators in a prolog, as you know, plus, minus, multiplication, division, power operator. So that is a power operator that is important. How to use a power operator in a prolog. So I'm talking about a power operator. So power operator is double multiplication sign. Okay. So double multiplication indicate power operator. Suppose I'm talking about the division operator. So it will be double, like this one, double. Okay. And suppose I'm talking about the modulus. So modulus operator. So how to write in a prolog? mod mod. Otherwise, you can use plus as a plus, minus, multiplication, and division. And here that is a not a division. Sorry, forget that is an integer division, and this will be the only division, integer division. Okay, 2 by 2, 5 by 5, like that one. And that division operator and that division operator, like you can add 2.5 by 2. So these are real by integer. Okay, so these things will be happen. Okay, so don't be confused. So these things are very important. This is the one number and two number, and this will be the three number. Okay, so these things are very important for me. So now see how to write. So in a program, what we write? Yeah, x is equal to 100 plus 200. Then we have to write n plus 1, like that. We have to follow, and it will be right. So I want to show you something. Wait. So I will first try, then it will working or not. Okay. I need give me the 5 minute. Please wait. Okay. Suppose I am writing. It says, right. Yeah. See. So I need to show you. This both compiler and console is visible, like a prolog programming. Please, anyone reply. Is visible. Okay. Please, anyone reply. Is it visible or not? Like a compiler and console, whatever it is. Yeah. Now see here, that is the file program where we have to write. That means work as a notepad. So I can define a calculator. That means a calculator. That means I can define a one logic. So this will be the your now. Wait. I am going to take a snapshot. Then I can define. So it will be helpful for you. Yeah. So now see. Now here, this one, I am this one. So this one I am defining a one relation. I can define one relation. So what is the relation? I can define calculate. So I have to perform some calculation operation. Okay. So I have to perform some calculation operation. Then I have to define a one variable x. This is the variable. So this is the variable I can define a 1x, and I'm writing is. Now this is the relation is equal to, or you can define calculators is, then you have to perform. So I'm writing that is the head operator. So already discussed what is the meaning of head operator. So that's why very important. X is 100 plus 200. हमें क्या करना है, x वेरिएबल में क्या स्टोर करना है, 100 प्लस 200 को. दैट इज द वे वी हैव टू राइट इन द प्रोग्रामिंग प्रोलॉग. एंड देन कॉमा एंड राइट करना है क्या, स्ट्रिंग में हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया 100 प्लस 200 इज व्हाट, इज 100. So this will be the output. Whatever you want to write in the output, so we have to write a write in bracket comma something. Whatever you want to write, then you have to write. Okay, and then comma write x की value. So whatever the x is defined. So it not equal to like हम ऐसे लिखते हैं ना, तो प्रोलॉग में हमने एज ईच को हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया इक्वल टू लाइक दिस वन इज 200 हमने ऐसे लिखा. So it will be work and comma and nil, that means nothing, we cannot define. So now NL. No. So it will be right here. So as I can enter the command cal, so dot and press enter. So it will produce 200 plus 100 plus 200 is 300. That is true. Okay. Is it clear how the additions and subtraction, same process we have to follow? Same process. I can show you. Same process. Same process. Suppose I'm going to define. Now see, here suppose I'm stop this one, I'm putting comma and then press enter. So it will be continue. When it will be stop, when it will be get full stop dot. Okay. So that is the end of that line. Okay. So suppose I'm putting comma, that means it will be a start reading. So it will be start reading object number 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. So suppose I can define y is 100 into 2 comma, then I'm going to write write same process 100 into 2 is and bracket close comma and write write bracket in a variable name and now comma nothing and now this full stop. So what will be happened? Now see. So only I have to write a calculate cal and full stop and press enter. So it will be run only one program. It cannot be run all the things. So something is wrong. So maybe it's not working. So what I'm going to write? Oh, so this one I'm writing. This one is wrong, and even if not compile, na, so this one. Right. Okay. Now I have to first compile. So it will be. Now clause number 2 will be compiled. Then what we have to do? So here. So cal dot 200 plus etc. So it will be shown. Okay. So these are the additions, same like a subtraction, we have to write all the things. So these are the very old programming. So nowadays no one can do that. Okay. Sometimes you can use in artificial intelligence. Is it okay? So these are the addition, subtraction, all the things so we have to perform. Same like we can discuss about loop, all the things like a loop. So we have to use the count operations, all the things. So suppose I want to use a loop. So you can use a loop also. So you cannot directly use like a for loop, do while loop. So here you can use a count. So we start like a count, then count underscore 2 underscore कहाँ से भी 10 से it will be take a 10 and such that suppose I am writing, so it will be start write 10 the variable and NL. Suppose I am putting, so it will be start counting. Suppose I am putting that variable. Suppose I am going to so suppose it will be start from counting from 10. Suppose I am putting here x. So in the place of 10, I'm going to put 10. So it will be start up to 10. And suppose how to start this will suppose I'm putting 3. So it will be start from like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and it will be stop. Okay, so that is the meaning. So basically, what we have to write a count loop. So we have to write a count 2 underscore 2 underscore up to where 10, and how to write all the things. So suppose I am writing x, whatever you write x. So whatever you putting the x value, it will take, and then it will write x and all the things. Okay. So these are the count variable for counting all the things. You can start counting. Same like a decision statements we can use. Okay, in the decision statements we can use if else statement. So in the place of decision statement, what we are going to use? Decision making. So we are basically use like GT, that is decision making x y, that means x and y, and the head variable, and we're writing x is greater than equal to y. So we have to write x is greater than or equal to y, and close that. So what we have to compile that one? We have to only compile like a compiler process, what to put gt 10 comma 20 and dot and press enter. That will show this is greater than or equal to or not. So for decision making we can use the gt, and for the loop we can use the count like this one. And now see, this variable is very important. So head variable, that head variable. Okay, this is called. I'm going to choose the color head variable. Head variable. Okay, these things are very important. Is it clear? So basically, we have to study in this prologue all the things. So same like a conjunction, disjunctions, then array, linked list we can use like that. Okay. Okay, Vivek is there. Yeah, Vivek, you can send me the attendance list.